How to fix PrizePicks app not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So first and foremost, make sure that your PrizePick app is updated. To do that, head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in PrizePicks. If you see update just beside the PrizePick, then you have to update your app. But if it shows open, then just leave it as it is and head over to your settings. At this page, scroll below until you see apps. And here again at the top search bar, type in PrizePicks. For instance, if this is my PrizePick application, you're going to have to tap onto storage and clear the data. Also be noted, before clearing this application's data, you remember your credentials, then tap on delete. Once done, head over to your app info page and tap on force stop. Then tap on OK and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working for you, then you have to uninstall that application and reinstall it again from your Play Store or your App Store. That wraps up today's tutorial. To see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and we will catch you up soon.